Okay, I am back. One of the cool things about having a house to yourself is that you can set up your streaming room in the main bedroom and no one can tell you otherwise. So I have an ensuite right right here. That's right, I gotta make 2 of these at the same time. I forgot about that. Oh man, I love that hype emote so much. All of your little fox emotes are so cool, Teagues. That almost went off the table. I think I almost remember how to do this part of the set by heart. I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna see how much I can remember. Because we already did 2 of these for the other wing. So, there was these funny little groove pieces at the very top. Another one of those thingies, I don't know all the technical terms, thingy we'll have to do. In the middle. And that's about as much as I remember. Alright, back to the instructions. Oh wait, no, that's because that's pretty much all there is to it. It's just these flat bits on the side. Okay, and that's the wing shape done. This time I'm going to put all the details on the edge without flipping it over 500,000 times. I don't care what the instructions tell me to do. So these bits in the middle first. Some more little fiddly bits on the edge. Yeah. And then these little bits here to hold these things in place. Might as well do that now. There's nothing else that goes in that area. And the rest of these trim pieces onto there, like that, sort of. There we go. Let's see, does it tell me to flip upside down? No. Oh, it just told me to do what I just did. Cool. I am ahead of the game. I don't need no instructions. I am a strong, independent woman who don't need no Lego instructions. Someone was talking about food ads making you hungry earlier and it just happened. But you're fasting. Oh no, why are you fasting? Food ads during fasting has got to be the worst thing. It's like, I feel terrible just thinking about I feel terrible just thinking about food right now, and I ate at breakfast. No, I'm not going to do the upside down bits. I'm going to do this part first because it makes no sense to do the upside down bits now. We will do it when we stick this weird piece on. Oh, I've been terrible with typing lately. Sometimes I don't even know how people can actually read what I'm typing in chat. As long as enough of the sentence is correct, though. As long as enough of it is correct. It's